गुड इवनिंग एवरीबडी, आप सबका स्वागत है इस सेशन में इन द सीरीज ऑफ एल्गो ट्रेडिंग। देखिए, एल्गो ट्रेडिंग के बारे में हम सब सुन रहे हैं कि एल्गो ट्रेडिंग इज द थिंग विच एवरी ट्रेडर शुड नो, लर्न, अंडरस्टैंड एंड एग्जीक्यूट। आज की तारीख में एल्गो ट्रेडिंग ही इमोशनलेस ट्रेडिंग है, जिसमें एक बार आप स्ट्रेटेजी बना के प्लेटफॉर्म पे प्लग इन कर सकते हो। तो इट्स अ स्ट्रेटेजी इन विच विदाउट यू बीइंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द स्क्रीन, the algo will trade on your behalf based on whatever condition you have given for entry, exit, target, risk management and everything. So देखिए, algo एक सेशन में तो होता नहीं है। So this is the month what we call it's a algo series month. आज एकदम आप खुले मन से सेशन अटेंड करो। इवन आई एम अ फ्रेशर इन algo, मुझे algo के बारे में कोई नॉलेज नहीं है। So हमारे साथ है मिस्टर नागराजू, who is an algo and coding expert as far as algorithm trading is concerned. एंड आज का जो सेशन इज गेटिंग स्टार्टेड। आप रिलैक्स रहिए, हम कोई भी टेक्निकल जार्गन नहीं यूज करेंगे। वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू यूज एनीथिंग व्हिच रिलेट्स टू, लेट्स से आप you hear big words in algo, python coding, this, nothing. It's all about getting started. So what is the first step I should do? algo है क्या, algo का एडवांटेजेस क्या है, डिसएडवांटेजेस क्या है, algo कैसे करना है और कैसे हम एक बेस अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ ये टॉपिक को अप्रोच करें इन अ सीरीज ऑफ सेशन। ये मंथ हमने एल्गो मंथ रखा है। So in the series of this is the first session which says getting started in algo. So I'll not take much time. Already मैंने काफी टाइम ले चुका है। Even I am too eager to listen and attend this session. Trust me, मुझे एल्गो के बारे में नहीं पता। मैं भी आपके साथ ही एल्गो सीखने वाला हूँ। So let's all welcome Mr. Nagaraju, an algo expert. So yes, everybody, are you all excited? Yes or no? Nice thumbs up, nice smiley, nothing is coming. Yeah, there I get one. Yes, now I'm getting lots. Right? एकदम खुले दिमाग से अटेंड करो, रिलैक्स वे में अटेंड करो। It's a getting started session. एक बेस बनाओ. So as we progress into session 2, session 3, session 4, session 5, session 6, by end of our series on algo, you yourself will become as good an expert like Mr. Nagaraju out there. So yes, Mr. Nagaraju, it's all yours, sir. Thanks. And I'm also part of this session as a student. I'm joining you, eager to learn algo from an expert like you. Thank you.
Yeah, so thank you so much, Hiteshji. Thank you for introducing me to our clients. Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining today. So I know it's 4:30 and the market just closed, and you people have worked and traded all the day, and yet you are here to learn something new. So thank you for your commitment. So, but we'll make sure that this session is worth your time. So let me introduce myself again. My name is Nagaraju Gurram. I have 8 years of experience in algo trading and the Indian stock markets. So in these 8 years, I have seen many traders who won, many traders who lost. So in today's session, I want to share with you like what exactly really works in today's market, right? So first thing is that, so we are not here to discuss any evergreen strategy, but instead I'll show you a smarter way to trade. So a way where computers will trades for you using your own trading rules. It sounds big, but it's simple. I'll explain you everything in simple terms and easy words, so that you people will be able to understand what exactly algo trading is and how it can be used in a practical trading practices, right? That I'll try to focus. So before I start, I just wanted to like how many hours in a day like that you people spend in a day. Like if it is more than 2 hours, just give me a thumbs up. Yes, so exactly that is the problem that we are going to solve. So using algo trading, how we can reduce our timing on these screens which we spend. Like you want to reduce the screen time, and you want to don't want to stick to your screen for trading purposes. That we are going to address today. So as you can see, like we will be having this session 5 sessions for algo trading. So where we will be understanding what is algo trading to building your own algo. So in this journey, I guess you people will be there with me, and you will understand what exactly algo trading is, and you will build your own strategy also. That's what we are aiming at. So what will be our roadmap for our five session series, where we will be learning what is algo trading. So in today's session, we will be understanding what is algo trading, what are its benefits, and why there is a need to shift from traditional way of trading to algo trading now. And this in the second session, we will be practically turning your own ideas into algo trading strategy. So whatever the type of trading that you are doing manually, the same will be automated with the help of algo trading. And in the third session, we will be explaining you like what are the technologies and the platforms that you have to use for building your own strategies or going for ready-made algo trading strategies. Right. So in the session 4, we will be showing how to manage your risk when it comes to the algo trading. So it can be position sizing or putting stop losses and controlling your drawdowns on your algo trading strategies. So we'll be focusing on that. And by session 5, you people will be creating your own strategy, or you will be choosing a right strategy from the market, and you will be going live with that strategy. So in this 5 session, you will be able to understand what is algo trading from scratch, and you will be able to understand how to build your own strategy, how to adapt a strategy, how to backtest a strategy. All these terms which are sounding technical, but I'll make it easier for you, which you can use it in your everyday trading journey. So what exactly we will learn today? So in today, like I'll be explaining you like what is algo trading. Generally, there are some misconceptions when it comes to the algo trading, that algo trading is for tech savvy clients. Algo trading is for only institutional people. So these are some misconceptions which have around algo trading is there. So we'll try to break those misconceptions, and we'll try to explain you what is algo trading in simple language. And I'll be explaining you like what are the key benefits of algo trading. So why people are shifting to algo trading. So there are so many benefits which algo trading has. I'll try to explain those as well. And the third thing will be like what are the differences? What are the differences between the normal trading and algo trading? So we'll be having a side-by-side look like why it is important to shift to the algo trading. Apart from this thing, the fourth one will be like why there is a need of why algo is the need of the hour. So we will be focusing on that. So why you people should shift to the algo trading from the traditional way of trading with some data and the real life market scenarios. Right. So now we'll understand like what is algo trading in basic. So like whenever you may have came across the terms like algo trading, algorithmic trading, black box trading, like these are the name for different name for algo trading, which sound technical, but I'll try to explain you in a very simple language. So algo trading is a type of trading where we use computer programs and algorithms to take the trades based on your own trading rules. So basically, a computer will take the trades for you automatically, but what should be the condition for entry? What should be the condition for exit? Everything has to be defined by you only. So you have the full control over your trading strategies, but you are not manually taking the trades. Where you are like you are defining the rules on behalf of you. The computer will act as an agent for you, and the system will watch, monitor, and it will take the trades whenever you are given entry or exit signals are met. So basically, with the help of algo trading, there will be no hesitation, and we can trade without any kind of emotions. And due to any reasons, we won't be missing any of our trades or signals. Yeah. So if I have to explain algo trading with a simple example, so I have told you like we will be using computer programs to do the automation of trading. So how we will do that? So let's say everyone will be having a normal trading logics. Let's say a client has, let's understand with a simple live example, so that make it more sense, right? So let's say a client have a normal trading strategy using which uh, he trades. That strategy can be anything. Let's say if Nifty is 20-day EMA, process Nifty is 50-day EMA. That is the logic which the client is following, right? So how we can automate that with the help of algo trading? Yeah, so let's say it's Nifty, right? Right. So we'll put indicators like EMA, and we put two EMS. Let's say our trader is having simple strategy that whenever Nifty's 20-day EMA crosses 50-day EMA, I take a call option. This is the trading idea that you have. We'll change the time frame. Once 20-day EMA, we'll change the color as well. Right. So I'll change the length to 50. So this is a basic strategy that a client is doing manually. So what happens here? Here the client have to wait, continuously monitor when this crossover is happening. Whenever this 20-day EMA crosses above the blue line, the 50-day EMA, I buy a call option. On the other hand, if the green line, or we can say 20-day EMA crosses below the 50-day EMA, I buy the put option. For that, I have to sit in front of system or mobile screen to watch when that crossover is happening. Then I take the trade. This is what a manual trader does. But what if, like, why should I sit in front of system from 9:15 to 3:30 to watch that when that crossover is happening, right? So with the help of algo trading platforms, the same can be automated. So I'll show you, like, I'll just giving an example how you can use this platform without any kind of coding, or you don't need to be a tech savvy person, or you don't need to be a coder for doing this thing. Let's say it's one of the integrated platform that we have, that is Quantman, right? So we will be having a dedicated session on the all these platforms. So I'm just giving a simple example at the beginning. Let's say I'll be selecting Nifty, and here I'll go with 5 minutes candle. So I'll go with exponential moving average of 20-day EMA. This is one, and another one is exponential moving average of 50-day, 50 candles, right? So now I have to give the condition for when it has to take that entry, when has to take the exit. So for entry, I am choosing exponential moving average should be crosses above, right? This is crosses above 20-day EMA, exponential moving average 1. When this happens, it should take the entry. This is what I have decided. And when this happens, what should it do? It should buy an option. You can choose option, future, whatever you want. I want to keep an option of the current week expiry. I'll select the spot based. At the money call option, I'll keep a stop loss of 2% and target of 5%. We are just taking an example, right? So that's what I have to do. So whenever this 20-day EMA average crosses the 50-day EMA, it will buy that at the money call option. So whatever I have created, I can back test it also. So let's say for last 1 month, I can test it. Like from May 5th to June 3rd, what is the profit or loss that I could have made, right? So if this strategy doesn't work, you can change it, right? But I don't need to sit in front of system and watch the screen when this crossover will happen. So this is what algo trading is. Whatever the type of trading or logic which you are trading manually, the same can be completely automated. The same can be taught to a customer, taught to a computer, which will take trades on behalf of you. So I can just set down my system and I can do whatever the other jobs I have to do. I don't need to watch the screens at all. So this is one of the simple example of algo trading. So if you people are clear with the meaning of algo trading, just give me a thumbs up. Or I'll give another example if you want. Yeah, so I'm getting a good thumbs up. So now we'll go back to, like, what are its benefits and how we can utilize it for normal way of trading. And we'll take some different personas who have different problems with the regular course of trading. So how those problems can be solved with the help of algo trading. Yeah. So what are key benefits? So the first benefit, I would say, it's speed. So let's say even if you have seen the crossover on the trading view chart, if you have to place a trade, you have to click on a button for executing the trade, or you have to switch between the trading view and to your broker platform. So by the time you are doing that, the price may have moved, but with the help of algo trading, the moment it gives you a trigger, whenever that 20-day EMA crosses 50-day EMA, within milliseconds it will execute the trades. Not even seconds, guys. It's milliseconds, right? So the speed is the only the biggest thing that biggest benefit that we can get from algo trading. The another one is like emotion free trading. Generally, like if you see, like many of the people make losses just because of the emotion. They book the profit very early, and wait for the losses and to recover. So in the hope of recovery, you may end up in big losses. That is something that happens just because we let our human emotions like fear and greed to interfere with our trading decisions. That can be avoided with the help of algo trading. How we can do that? Let's say I have created the strategy. Whenever Nifty 20-day EMA crosses 50-day EMA, it should buy. So I'm not watching the screen eagerly, or I don't have the anxiety to where I will incur profit or loss. I have created the strategy. I've kept the stop loss and target. After that, I don't need to watch it at all. So let system take the trading decisions for entry and exit. So I can trade in a more disciplined way with the help of algo trading. And the third one is back testing. So if you have a trading strategy or a trading logic that you have figured it out, कि अगर ये 20-day EMA, I'm taking that example again and again because you people have understood and will be you can relate more to this particular strategy. So whenever that if you have figured out that whenever this crossover happens, I'm generally making profit. In last 1 month I made profit, but you feel like what is the result if I could have been deployed the strategy 1 year ago. वो आपको देखना है. Like let's say ये same strategy अगर मैंने 1 साल पहले deploy की होती, then what could have been the result? तो वो आपको check करनी है. तो कैसे करेंगे आप? Without, if you want to test a strategy without risking your own capital, आपको original capital से risk नहीं लेना, then you can use back testing, right? Where you can use back testing to understand a strategy whether it is profitable or it's a risky strategy. And we will be showing how to backtest your own trading strategies without any kind of coding or any kind of tech savvy platforms, with a simple simple user interface. You can how you can backtest, we will be showing in a coming session. That will also be there. Yeah. So the another one is like scale. So basically, as a human, like let's say I'm a normal equity trader who do the BTST trading, right? I feel like whatever the script which is fallen more than 5% today, it gives a recovery the next day. This is generally happens. Let's say I want to buy 10 quantity of all the scripts in Nifty 500 which are down by more than 5%. So tell me, like, is it possible for me as a human to track all the 500 script? Yes or no? If you are agree, you can give me a thumbs up, or you can thumbs down, right? So as a human, I cannot watch all the 500 scripts simultaneously, right? So what we can do, is we can create a condition to the algo that, let's say, even if with the help of any screeners or scanners, I will be able to figure it out which scripts are going below -5%. But let's say at any given second, there are 10 scripts which are falling reaching the mark of -5%. Can I buy all the 10 scripts simultaneously? Can I put the orders? No. As a human, I have some limitations which I cannot uh, do, right? So with the help of an algo, you can put the condition that watch Nifty 500 script. Entry condition should be all the script which is going Nifty below 5%. You buy 10 quantity of it, keep a stop loss of 1% and target of 2%. After that, I don't need to watch any of the 500 scripts. Whichever script goes below the -5% mark, it will automatically buy the 10 quantities. So with the help of that, I can use my strategy for multiple scripts, multiple instruments at a single go. And the fourth one is consistency. Let's say I'm a trader who sells the Nifty at the money straddle, right? We'll getting on the FNO side, little more towards the FNO side, who sell the straddle on expiry day. So every week I have to go to the platform and I have to sell the call option and put option manually, and I have to wait for the stop loss or target. But with the help of an algo trading, you can put that on every Tuesday. It should exit. It should exit. It should we can say execute call option and put option short straddle at any given point of time. And on we can say 9:20 को मुझे sell करना है. So after that, I don't need to. I after that I don't need to. We can say I don't need to every day every expiry come to the broker platform to execute the trade. Every Tuesday, it will automatically execute the Nifty short straddle. One second. Yeah. Yeah. So that is what, like, if you're taking a trade every day or on a regular recurring period, then that can be automated so that you don't need to repeat the same process every day. And the last one is an honest note. Basically, you cannot expect an algo to be. It's not any magic machine. So basically, you have to be having a good algo trading, a good strategy, which can be automated with the help of algo trading. But some of you people may say, like, we don't have any strategy of our own as of now. I have not figured out any trading strategy. Then how can we use algo trading? So I don't have the time to trade, let's say, and I have capital lying in my account, we can say in terms of equity, but I want to capitalize on that. How I can do that? So for that case, we will be having ready-made strategies created by the SEBI registered analyst. So we'll show that also. Like, we will be showing the strategies created by the SEBI registered analyst also. So you don't need to be having any ready-made strategy. So you will be getting experts, people who are into the markets, and they have pioneered the trading, right? So there you can, let's say, one of the platform that we have integrated with is Algo Test. There you will get ready-made strategies created by the SEBI registered RS. So these are people who are qualified to advise you on algo trading, right? So you can come to this platform and you can read about the strategy, like what does it does. Basically, it's a Sensex expiry strategy, right? It requires a margin of 2,20,000, and it is an intraday strategy, which is a selling strategy. Let's say if you want to know the results, like what could have been the result for the last 1 year, so you can simply back test it. Yeah. So in the last 1 year, you could have made 20%, right? For example, I'm telling. So after brokerage and taxes, let's say, yeah. So after brokerage also, you could have made 18% in the strategy. For example, we are not promoting the strategy. I'm just giving an example. So you'll get if you don't have your own strategy also, so nothing to worry. You get ready-made strategies created by the SEBI registered research analyst on our platform, where you just have to log in once in the morning. After that, you don't need to watch it at all. All the entry and all the exit will be taken care by the algo trading platform itself. So it's not like that you must have your own strategy. You have to be a tech savvy person. No, you just have to subscribe to the strategy and you can deploy it in your account. So we'll be focusing on both, where you will get ready-made strategy also. At the same time, you can create and create and backtest your own strategies also, right? So the next thing is, like, uh, why algo trading is like better than the traditional trading. So the same things that I've explained you earlier. So the first is this: you will get an exceptionally higher execution speed. So for placing an order in manually, you take around 2 to 10 seconds. You have to go to the broker platform, you have to enter the buy window, then you have to execute the trade. But with the help of algo trading, you can simply given the whenever the given condition is fulfilled, it will take the trades within milliseconds. That's one of the major benefit. And emotional disciplines, again, like, if you don't want to let your emotional decisions, emotions like fear and greed to interfere into trading, that you can use with the help of algo trading. Yeah. And at the same time, like, if you want to track multiple instruments in a single go that you can track with the help of algo trading. So we'll take some examples also. Let's say Mr. Mohit is there who want to take the trades, or who want to take the trades in FNO and in the normal equity markets, but he don't have the time. His job involves a peak hours of, we can say, 9 to 12. That is the hour like where the user want to trade, but he don't have the time. So how we can do that? With the help of algo trading, he can build the strategy, and he can log in the morning by 8:30 or by 8 whenever he gets time. After that, he don't need to watch it at all. That is something that we can address where if a person is busy, or we can say not able to take the trades, or in that case you can use algo trading, right? And another factor is that you can use back testing. So in the manual trading, you cannot understand, okay, what is the trading logic that I'm using, whether it is profitable or not. That you can do. Apart from that thing, if you have figured out any strategy, and you want to, we can say, without risking your own capital, you want to test it in the market. For that, we have paper trading, also known as forward testing. So you can do that also. In coming session, we'll show how you can create your strategy, and how you can paper trade them without risking your capital. That also will show. Yeah. So if you ask me, like, ठीक है, ये सब तो ठीक है, आपने benefits बता दिया, like why it is important to shift to the algo trading, but what the data is saying, why should I believe all these things? There has been shift to the algo trading. So the first thing is that algos are already dominating Indian trading. If you ask me, like, more than 70% of the overall FNO trading is being done with the help of algo trading. And in equity, around 60% of the overall trading is done with the help of algo trading in FY 2025. So if you see, like, if you want to be if you want to compete with the bots, if you want to compete with the institutional players, you have to be using algo trading. That is one of the reasons. And another shift is, like, if say like if you open any of the trading platform now, the first prompt that you see is 9 out of 10 traders are making losses. So who is that one person who is making profit? As per SEBI's data, that one person who is making profit is an algo trader. So I'll show you the article and the data for that. So bots dominate the Lal Street, like FIIs and prop desks on around 59,000 crore in FY24 using algos. Means that one person who is making profit is an algo trader, right? Whether it can be institutional or individuals, although individuals are only 13% out of which who made profit out of this 59,000 crore. Still, the people who are making profit are algo traders. So again, if you want to compete with the bots, or if you want to compete with this such big institutional traders, and if you have nowadays, if you see, there are very big whipsaws are there in the market. There sudden spikes are there in the market, right? So if you want to safeguard yourself from doing that, you can use algo trading. So with the help of algo trading, you can trade with a more disciplined way, so that you will be managing your risk more efficiently, and you will be making, there are chances of getting good profit, right? So these are the data backed facts that if you want to be profitable, or we can say if you want to be compete with the other traders, you have to be using algo trading. That's one of the major things. Apart from that thing, if you ask me, like, why now, why retail traders are like, I should use shift to the algo trading now. The thing is that now, if you see, algo trading technology, or we can say the platforms for algo trading, are very cheap and very accessible. At Stocko, we don't charge anything for trading APIs. So we can say, if you want to start algo trading with us, you don't need to pay any kind of charges to us apart from the brokerage. So, and other tools, like earlier, like only institutional player were able to use the algo trading, because it requires a lot of technology and heavily capital investment in that. But now you have no code trading platforms where you don't need to be a coder, or where you don't need to be a tech savvy person to use the algo trading. So it has become more accessible. So that's one of the major reasons that you can say you can shift to the algo trading. And the fourth and the most important part is, earlier the algo trading was not regularized by the SEBI, but now the SEBI has recently brought some rules and regulations for safer participation of retail traders in algo trading. So whatever the trading platforms or whatever the algo vendor platforms that you can see on our platform on this session, all are impaneled from the exchanges, all are certified for the job they're doing. That they've got the regulations and permissions from the SEBI itself. So now, like your algo trading platform will be regularized, so more safety and more less chances of any kind of technical risk. Right. So these are the major reasons that why you should shift to algo trading. So in this session, I've kept it more on the explaining the benefits and meaning only. But in the coming session, I'll be showing how to practically use any of the algo trading platform for different purposes. We have different algo trading platforms, right? So how to practically use that, how to implement in the regular way of trading, right? That I'll be showing. So yes, the question isn't like whether algos are taking over. They have already taken over the market. So again, if you want to compete with the market, you can do that, right? So in a recap, after recap, I'll show you like what are the platforms that we have. Yeah. So in a recap, you asked me like what is algo trading? Algo trading is trading with the help of computer softwares or programs where I will be giving my trading condition, which I've been trading manually. The same can be automated with the help of algo trading. So I don't need to sit in front of system from 9:15 to 3:30 to take the trades or to execute the strategies. I can simply teach the same thing to a software which will take the trades on behalf of me, right? So, and what are the major benefits? You have a higher execution speed. You can trade with the help of you can trade without any kind of emotional biases in the trading, and you can trade with more disciplined approach, and you can create your own strategy and you can back test it, right? And with the help of that, you can monitor multiple watch list. You don't need to do that. We can say you can monitor multiple scripts and multiple markets in a single go, right? Yeah. So basically, with the help of algo trading, I wouldn't say that every trade can be automated, but 90% of the routine trades that you do daily, you have every trader has their own setup, right? That setup can be every bread and butter trade can be automated with the help of algo trading, right? So now, and like we'll be, if you want, I'll be showing you how to backtest a strategy like that. So if you have any doubts so far, you can ask. Demonstration how a strategy can be backtested, how a strategy can be automated with the help of any of our exchange impaneled algo trading platforms that we have integrated, right? Yeah. So let's say the same example that I have shown you. Let's say if I have to trade every day we can say I have to sell at the money call option and put option short straddle every day at 9:20. So how can I automate that? I'll show you that. Right. So here we have one of our platforms is Algo Test, right? It is also an SEBI registered platform, right? So here you can create your own strategy. How you can do that? I'll show you that, right? So here you can on the platform you can see the strategy builder where you have to select the instrument in which you want to create the strategies. One is your if you want to go with the weekly options, or you want to go with the monthly options, or you want to go with the stock options. So I want to sell short straddle of Nifty only. So I've selected Nifty. So in the indices, I've selected Nifty, which has the weekly expiry. And whether you want to create a intraday strategy or BTST strategy or positional strategy, I want to create a strategy of intraday itself. So I wanted to take the entry by 9:20, and I wanted to exit by 3:20. This is the entry and exit timing that I'm putting. Let's say, yeah. So if you have to, I have to execute two legs, right? I'll be selling at the money call option and put option. जो simple language में हम कहते हैं, normal market के language में जोड़ा sell करना, जोड़ा बेचना जिसे कहते हैं, वो हम एक strategy बना के देख रहे हैं, right? So here you can define how many lots that you want to sell. I'll be going with one lot only. You want to buy it or sell? I want to buy. I want to sell only. Call or put. Here I'm selling call, and the second leg I'll be selling put, right? So here you can select the expiry, like whether you want to select current weekly or next weekly or monthly options. I want to select the weekly only. So what is the strike that has to be sold, right? That if you have to identify that, you can put like strike type like at the money, in the money, and out of the money, like relative strike selection, or you can give the range of premium, right? The premium, any strike which is having a premium between 50 and 100, that should sell. Or you can put a closest premium to 100, it should sell, right? Let's go with the simple at the money short straddle, जहाँ पे जो at the money चल रही है वहाँ के call और put option base sell कर सकते हैं, right? So in each leg you can put the target, stop loss, trailing stop loss. आप call और put दोनों भी जो आपके legs हैं उसमें आप stop loss, target and trailing stop loss re-entry conditions भी आप डाल सकते हैं. So let's keep it vanilla. हम एक simple strategy समझ रहे हैं तो हम यहाँ पे call और put sell कर रहे हैं at the money का, right? और you can put the combined stop loss targets. आपको दोनों जनरली हम मैनुअली ट्रेड करते हैं तो हर लेग पे स्टॉप लॉस और टारगेट लगा सकते हैं, बट 2 या फिर 4 लेग की जब स्ट्रेटेजी बनाते हैं, बटरफ्लाई स्प्रेड या फिर आयरन कॉन्डोर हम जब करते हैं, इन दैट केस वी कैन नॉट पुट अ stop loss on the entire portfolio, that you cannot do, right? But here you can put the stop loss or target for the entire strategy up, including both the legs. But I'm not keeping any stop loss for the strategy, so I'll be back testing it for the last 1 year, like from 4th June 2025 to 4th June 2026. So what is the result? If I would have been I would have been selling this short straddle every day at 920 and recovering it by 320, तो मुझे क्या profit है क्या loss होता, right? So these are already gross results. You can see on month-wise results also. You could have lost 2,000 rupees in last June, could have made 17,000 rupees in last July. You can get month-wise report also, and you can analyze your back-tested report with the help of graphs, cumulative P&L and underlying Nifty's this thing, and you can also see what was the maximum risk, what is the maximum I could have lost, and when it happened. So on the 16th April, I could have lost 34,000 in this strategy. That is the maximum loss. You can see the drawdowns also, and here you'll get the stats about your strategy. What is the overall profit? What is the number of trades that it has taken? What is the average profit that you have made, right? And in that you can get daily trade reports also. What is the trade? What is the trade it has taken? What is the profit or loss that you have made, right? So in last 1 year, you could have made this much profit with the help of this thing. So you have created a strategy, you have backtested a strategy. If you like this strategy, you can save it and you can run it your actual account. And if you don't want to run it with the actual capital, you can do the paper trading also. In coming session, we'll cover those as well, right? So this was the practical approach to create a strategy, and we have created a strategy. We have backtested the strategy without any kind of any coding or any kind of technical detailing in that. I hope I'm clear. Have you understood this strategy creation and backtesting? If yes, give me a thumbs up. Yeah. So this was in introduction to our algo trading in a nutshell, right? So we have tried to kept it simple, and I hope you people have understood the basics of algo trading. And in coming session, we will be showing the actual use case and actual deployment of strategies, backtesting of strategies in more deeper way, right? So if you have any questions, you can ask me. We are open for the questions now.
Yeah, good evening all the traders out there. कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो नागराज के लिए तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. It could be anything. First session है, so feel free to ask. So I have a question, Mr. Nagaraju, from Arif Sultan. Arif says, kindly arrange demo video also, please.
Yes, we will be having a dedicated demo for all the platforms, and we have some in-house algo trading platforms also, where you can create your strategies, right? So that also will be having a dedicated session for that also. So in coming weeks, we will be having a dedication session on each platform.
Yes, Arif Sultan, if your question is answered, give me a thumbs up sign, sir. क्या आपका क्वेश्चन आंसर हो गया? Arif Sultan, are you there? We will arrange for the required demo and all the resources required to be there. Yes. Anybody else? Any other questions? Please feel free to ask. So me and Mr. Nagaraju, in-house algo expert, will answer all your questions.
No worries. We are assuming that you are clear with the things that we have discussed so far, right? So in the next coming session, like we'll be showing you how you can build your own strategy. Like you can run your plain English identity into clear rules and like you can say discipline entry and exit, right? With your we will show you how to backtest your strategy. We will be taking some sample strategy from your people, right? From some sample strategies from your people and creating in front of you just for the demonstration purpose so that you will also have a clear idea about strategy creation and backtesting. And what I want you to do is in coming session, in the next session, I just want you people to come with your own strategy, right? You just have to just write and come with the strategy. I do the buying if this happens. I do the selling if this happens. So in that case, we will show you the actual backtesting, how it is done, and how it is deployed in real time into your live accounts, right? So uh, over to you, Tej.
So friends, it was a great session, very light, very soft, considering that the session talked about getting started in Algo. तो हमने ये जाना Algo के बारे में, आपकी कोई भी स्ट्रेटजी हो, आप लेमन लैंग्वेज में लिख दीजिए, खाली आप उतना लिख दीजिए, buy 18 call if opening 15 minutes high is crossed and my target is 5 points. तो 15 मिनट का हाई ब्रेक किया तो आपके लिए एटीएम कॉल ले लेगा और 5 पॉइंट 10 पॉइंट जो भी टारगेट 20 पॉइंट आप डालो वो बेच के सिस्टम आपका ट्रेड खत्म कर देगा। मतलब एल्गो का कोई डेफिनेशन नहीं है, आपके मन में जो भी कंडीशंस आए आप उसको लेमन लैंग्वेज में लिख दो हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे, and on that basis your trades will get coded and it will keep on going on. For example, जैसे हम वीवैप फॉलो करते हैं, आप सबने बोला, अगर मान लीजिए वीवैप पे 3 ईएमए का क्रॉसओवर आ गया, 50 का आ गया, तो वहां पे आप एक स्ट्रेटजी डिफाइन कर सकते हो, आइदर कॉल बाय कर सकते हो, पुट बेच सकते हो या बुल पुट स्प्रेड कर सकते हो। कोई भी प्राइस पॉइंट पे आप डिसाइड करो कौन सी स्ट्रेटजी आप कहां पे करोगे। पहले एल्गो का मतलब था, जब आज से बहुत सालों पहले जब हम लोग करते थे तो उसके लिए आपको पाइथन में कोडिंग सीखना जरूरी था, उससे पहले आर करके लैंग्वेज था वो जानना जरूरी था। आज की तारीख में आपको कोई भी लैंग्वेज जानना जरूरी नहीं है, सिर्फ आप टाइप कर सकते हो और सिस्टम रीड कर लेगा आपको किस तरह का एल्गो बनाना। Things have been simplified to this extent. Getting it everybody, give me either a yes or a no. आपके मन में आप ट्रेड करते हो, आप ऑब्जर्व करते हो मार्केट को, आप देखते हो ये चीज काम करता है 10 से 11 बजे के बीच में, ये चीज काम करता है 12 से 1 बजे के बीच में। जैसे लास्ट 2 बजे के बाद एक थीटा डीके का स्ट्रॉन्ग इम्पैक्ट आता है, तो मान लीजिए मैं 2 बजे अगर 300 पॉइंट निफ्टी के कॉल पुट दोनों बेच दूं विद अ हेज और 3:25 पे काट लूं, मेरा ऐसा मानना, मैंने सिस्टम टेस्ट नहीं किया, मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा आया, मुझे ऐसा लगता है 75% ऑफ टाइम कुछ पैसा लेके क्लोज होगा, बिकॉज वो जो टाइम है उस टाइम पे आपका कैपिटल फ्री रहता है। कैपिटल को फ्री क्यों रखे, 1 घंटे के लिए कोई भी क्रेडिट स्प्रेड या आयरन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट डाल दे, उस दिन का मेरा खर्चा निकल गया। गेटिंग माय पॉइंट, यू थिंक ऑफ एनी आइडिया and you can implement it. So After the session, please do give feedbacks. ये पहला session था, and I honestly liked the session. I was attending the session as a fresher. तो एक मेरा base बना. Next session will be on next Tuesday, जिसमें थोड़ा थोड़ा level हम sections का बढ़ाते जाएंगे. We'll increase the level of understanding and explanation step by step. So in this we have this first session. ये series में ऐसा नहीं है 5 है 6 है. Till you don't become yourself an algo expert, we will from our side with Stocko InCred money keep on imparting you the right education, give you the right tools, handhold you the right way, and make sure that you are successful in algo trading. On that note, friends, we end this session. Thanks and have a nice day, everybody.
Thank you, everyone.